Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Fortnite gift card on your Epic Games account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your Fortnite gift card on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in fortnite.com like this and hit enter. Now first you'll be required to sign into your Fortnite account on the Epic Games itself. So to sign into your Fortnite account, you can see the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in, and after that you can see the sign in with Epic Games over here. You can also sign into your Epic Games account with all these social media platforms and gaming platforms with emails. For this video's purpose, I'll be signing into my Epic Games account. So let's go, and my computer has auto-filled my login credentials of the Epic Games. Similarly, you'll be required to log in into your login credentials over here, like your email and your password. After that, click on login now. Now to redeem your Fortnite gift card, you can see on the top right corner of the screen there is your account name, and over here there is the VBucks card. Click on the VBucks card, and over here you can see the redeem your VBucks card or the gift card of VBucks, and click on get started over here. And after that, after getting on this page, you'll be required to enter the pin number of your gift card, which is be on the back side of the Fortnite VBucks card. And on the back side of your card, the code or the pin will be covered with some kind of ink. Scratch it and the pin will be visible to you. Receive your pin and enter it over here, and then click on next. And on the next step, you'll be required to choose on which platform you want to recharge your VBucks. After choosing your platform, click on next, and the net worth amount of your gift card will be available on your Epic Games account. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Fortnite gift card on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.